Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create the zone in Citrix ZenApp or ZenDesktop site. So here I have two data center. One data center is Chennai data center, which is hosted on the Zen server. The Chennai data center VMs are hosted on the Zen server infrastructure. The another one is Bangalore data center, which is VMware vSphere infrastructure. So why we need to create a zone? Suppose in your company, if you want to create a multiple site, so instead of creating the multiple site and managing the site, it's too difficult to the administrator, and also it's some cost effective also. So in this case, we can use a zone concept. Instead of creating multiple site for one company, we can create multiple zone, so we can manage the zone in the single site. So now I will show you how to create the zone on the Citrix Studio Console. So first, before creating the zone, we need to create the hosting on the Studio Console. So why we need to create the hosting? So suppose if you are creating the MCS based machine catalog or else power managed VM based machine catalog, we should have the hosting on the Citrix Studio. So first I will show you the two data center. So this is the Bangalore data center, which is hosted on the VMware vSphere. So another data center is Chennai data center, which is hosted on the Zen server. So this is a Zen Center console. So go to Studio. First we'll add the hosting, and then I will show you how to create the zone. Okay. So right now this is the Citrix GSR site. In this site we have two delivery controller. One is DDC1, DDC2. DDC1 is created on the Chennai data center, that is the Zen server hypervisor. The another one is DDC2, which is hosted on the Bangalore data center in VMware vSphere hypervisor. I will show you. So DDC1 is hosted on the Zen server, that is the Chennai data center. So DDC2 is hosted on the vSphere. So this is the Bangalore data center. So why we are having two data center? For high availability purpose, suppose Chennai data center is goes down, Bangalore data center will be work. So under Bangalore data center we have one DDC, that is a DDC2. So if the DDC1 is goes fail, the DDC2 will take over the brokering session to the end user. So creating the zones, or by having the multiple data center, it will give you a high availability to the Citrix site. So first we'll add the hosting. So add connection. So first we'll add the Citrix Zen server. This is for if you are creating the MCS based machine catalog. So where you want to create the OS and where you want to store the OS and the personal disk, then separate storage. Right now I don't have any shared storage for my hypervisor, so I'm using the local storage itself. This is our network identification. So we have added the the Chennai data center, that is a Zen server hypervisor into the Citrix Studio in the hosting. So next we'll add the Bangalore DC, that is a VMware EXS server. So we need to select which hypervisor component you are going to add into the Citrix Studio console. We need to select that respective option here. So now we have added two data center into the hosting part in the Citrix Studio console. This is the Bangalore DC. This is Chennai DC. Bangalore DC is vSphere infrastructure. The Chennai DC is Zen server. So in next video, I will show you how to create the zone and how to move the machine catalog and the hosting into the zone. So also I will show you how to configure to access the user their own zone resources on the Citrix from the Citrix. Thank you.